Yeah.
What's up, guys? We're here on the job site. We're getting ready to work on this Mazda 3 Skyactiv, and it is a sedan. We're going to wash it, we're going to strip wash it, and then we're going to apply our Gyeon Can Coat 1 month coating. So, yeah, let me take you through it really quick. And we are going to start by first cleaning the wheels. We're going to clean the paint, and we here's our wheel bucket. We're cleaning with this is a PNS brake buster here, and then right after we deep clean it with that, we are going to apply a Gyeon wet coat on the wheels so that it is the wheels are protected as well. We are not going to apply that to the paint. Still has plenty of protection. Not plenty, but it still has good protection from the last time we saw it. We were here about 2 or 3 months ago. So the Gyeon wet coat is holding up very well. But the water is still pretty flat here on the hood. The sides held up a little bit, but the hood did not. Huh? So yo quiero usar agua porque estamos en el sol. So, exactamente.
Alright guys, so I'm using 3D wipe surface prep, just wiping off whatever remaining grease and whatever is left from after the wash on this so that we can prep it for our can coat. And I'm going through the whole car right now, wherever we're gonna put the ceramic on. Making sure it's nice and clean.
And we are applying some tire dressing here. Our new go-to is hyper dressing by Meguiar's. This is barely diluted, and we are actually, this is diluted about 2 to 1. We are prepping the paint, getting ready for our Gyeon Can Coat. Okay, guys, now we are applying Gyeon Can Coat. This is a 12-month coating. It's super mobile friendly, very easy to use, even in direct sunlight. So now we are applying it to our microfiber applicator pad and using a fresh microfiber towel to buff it off. Just show you how he does it, how he applies it. 2 sprays into the sponge away from the car. Pick a small section and go to town. So we used to Gyeon the can coat in the box that it comes in. Let me show you really quick. It comes in this box here. Now Gyeon always gives you a rag, and they give you some stickers that you can give to your client to show you that you're official and that you applied what you applied and the type of coating you applied to apply it onto the car. But they usually give you a rag, complimentary, like a white rag. This one didn't come with one for some reason, and it comes with 3 spray heads. Usually because after the first use, um, the ceramic hardens up and kind of clogs the spray head. So they give you 3. That can coat probably would last us 4 or 5 sedans, or up to 2 or 3 SUVs. But while he's doing that, we are sealing the exterior windows with, what are we using, cousin? Primo? We're using 3D Beat It Up just to seal the windows here. And it's super easy to use even in direct sunlight as well. So we added Gyeon Black Coat to the wheels. We are adding 3D Beat It Up to the windows. The wheels probably get around 2 to 3 months protection. 3D Beat It Up will last, maybe a month or two on the windows. Very easy to use on glass. I love it. All right, guys, we have finished our exterior detail with a 1 year Gyeon Can Coat coating. And I'm not going to lie to you, it was really tough. We brought out our tent and helped this out a little bit, but for some reason, it just wasn't blending very well with this paint. But you can see the gloss levels are incredible. I mean, it is a mirror finish. And yeah, that wraps it up.